All right, guys, this is a chair, and this is what it's looking like so far. I need to just cover these screw holes. Hey guys, welcome back to Homestead. So what we're gonna be doing today is trying to finish up this island and then try to put up my curtain rods, because I said I was gonna put it up the last time and I didn't, but I'm gonna try to put it up this time. So I'm gonna work on the island, and I also got one of my countertops. So I text the countertop guy, and I was like, I'm just gonna use quartz because quartz is probably cheaper, and he's saying it's the same price. So I'm like, you know what? But then he told me, oh, it's way cheaper than he thought the price that he told me. So I actually got it from him, and it's way cheaper. I'm like, all right, I'll just work with it, but I have to install it myself. So, which is no problem because I installed a lot of countertops before. But let me show you the countertop I got, and we're gonna work on this island and start trying to get stuff done on this patio. All right. Okay, guys, this is a island from the previous time. I'm gonna start working on it, but this is my countertop that I picked up. All right, it's gonna go right here, and I'm gonna put a butcher block on this one. So let's get to working, guys. All right, guys, so let me tell you my idea. You see I got this side on there on each bottom side. So I'm gonna put slots all the way across, like from here going all the way across, and then I'll start sand. I'm gonna might fill these holes, maybe, we'll see, and then I'll just sand them. All right, but let me get these slots cut, and then we'll start screwing them in. All right. All right, so I got all the slots laid out, and this is what it's gonna be looking like for right now. But I just realized I'm running short on boards, because at this side right here, I need a piece for this side and also a piece for this side. So I'm not sure if I should make the space a little bit bigger or a little bit tighter and then get some more board. So that's why I'm weighing in. Like I said, I had no idea when I was building this and how much material I would need, so that's why I'm winging it right now and see what's the procedure. And it's a good thing I had an extra piece of board left over from the pump house. So, and I used it all because I wouldn't have enough. But this is what it's looking like so far, guys. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be nailing them down first, and then I'm gonna come back and screw them in. So I got a brad nailer that I'm gonna use. You don't have to use a brad nailer if you don't have one, but I got these spacers from a long time ago from a project I did the first time. So I'm gonna use them to space these board out, so I got an even space. All right, put one on this side and one on this side. So I'm gonna do this all the way across. Hopefully it's not a big gap. If there's a big gap, I'll just have to adjust it. But yeah, that's what I got so far, guys. All right. Gonna be securing my cabinets to the wall. But first I'm gonna put them together. Alright. I'm gonna shim these and put them against the wall. Back to shim. Oh, that one didn't work out. So. One's nice and flush. Another shim. To double these. Nice and secure. I'm gonna use a smaller screw on this side so it won't move. Alright. They're flush to the wall now. You know I like to put extra screws. Just for security. All right. Alright guys, so we're gonna start working on getting some wood conditioner on this island, and then we're gonna put some Danish oil on there. Alright, so let's see what it's gonna look like after. Alright, so let's get to it. It's the same one I used when I was doing the butcher block. guys, so this is the Danish oil that I'll be using on there. It's a natural color, so it probably will still look like this, or probably a deeper, darker color. I'm not 100% sure, but it's gonna stain, seal, and protect. So let's try this out. All right, guys, let's try this. Don't look like it does much for it. It's just giving it the natural color. I thought I had another one. You know what? Let me go see. Alright guys, I only got a natural color. I thought I had another one. I did, but I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna just spread this one on there. Still look good. Alright guys, so I got these panels left over that I'm gonna put on the side of the cabinet. Alright, I got the stain on there already. It's a natural stain. I don't know. I'm having mixed feelings. Thought it would be, you know, but we'll see. But it's not bad, you know, but I'm gonna cut these, put them on and paint them and put them on the side the same color as this, and then we'll be ready to put on the countertop. So I need to get all this stuff done first. Then I can put the countertop on, and then I'm gonna pick up a butcher block from Home Depot, and I'm gonna screw this on also. So let's jump on this one, all right? Alright guys, this is what it's gonna look like once I put it on there. It's a precise cut. It's nice, real pretty. And then when I paint it, everything will look real good, guys. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So let's cut the other side, then paint both of them, and this will be a wrap for this cabinet. Alright guys, I got it painted, so let's put it in and see. Let's see. Get it, guys? It's all one wainscoting. I like it. Alright guys, so let's try these curtains. See what they're gonna be looking like. Alright guys, so this is the curtain put up. Yep, it's looking good. Let me pull the curtains and let you guys see. It's not long. It's not long enough, but get the picture. So it's looking like after. Just so when it gets cold, we got these in. just put up the rest, all right? Alright guys, so I picked up some more wood. I'm not finished with this project yet, but I'm gonna start another project. But I got everything for this one already. It's pretty much finished. I picked up my butcher block also. Just need to take it out the plastic. Yeah. And I'm gonna restain this because I don't like the natural color. And as you see before, the countertop over here. Let's get to work. All right guys, so this is the color it is now. More, do you see the wood grain more, you know? I like it. You know, so the countertop is gonna be in a natural color. All right, it won't be as dark as this, but this is gonna match this table. As you can see, both of them, they match, you know, kinda, but it's close. But yeah guys, now I'm gonna start working on my chair. Let's see if I got enough wood for that one. All right. All right guys, so these are all the woods I need to make the chair. So 5 pieces, and I think I need another 25, a 2x2, but we'll see when we get there. We're just gonna wing it. All right, so let's start framing this up. All right. All right guys, so let me show you how this chair turned out. Guys, I was gonna buy some chairs online, but I'm like, you know what, let me watch some videos and see if I can build it. And I finally built one, guys, and I'm gonna build another one, but this is the one I got for now. But we're gonna make a third part to this patio transformation. So this is the second part right now. The third part will be the reveal of everything. Everything should be completed, I'm hoping. But yeah, this is what we got so far. And I'm gonna flip this camera around and I'm gonna show you what it's looking like, all right? All right, guys, this is a chair. And this is what it's looking like so far. I need to just cover these screw holes that I built. And I'm gonna stain it also. I'm gonna stain it or paint it. I might do it the same color as the island. But yeah. It's nice and it's sturdy and strong, you know. I like it. Yeah, I'm gonna sand it, put some nail, some wood filler on there, and then stain it, guys. It's looking real good, guys. Looking real pretty, and it's not too low to the ground also, you know. And this is like, this only cost me like 40 bucks, maybe, just the bill, you know. So, and the ones online are pricey. If you see outdoor furniture, and some nice ones too, they're real pricey. So, and I built this for real cheap, so, you know, I like it.